We are all enhancing our reliance on and use of social media to connect, communicate, and share. Consequently, we must also be able to recognize the urgent need for coordinated efforts at ensuring safe and equal use of these platforms. Women are harassed, abused, objectified, threatened, degraded, and humiliated, not just because it is easy at present to do so, but because these actions are directed at silencing some of the most powerful voices in the world. We are told to ignore it, but the question remains, would you ignore this toxic treatment in real life? More importantly, should social media platforms and governments evade their responsibility to respect the fundamental human dignity of women all over the world? The answer should be a loud and clear no. There must be consequences for harassment. No woman should have to fear for her safety or mental well-being every time she decides to speak her mind. Many countries all over the world, including Pakistan, are parties to the major UN human rights conventions. It is through this framework that women all over the world must pressure their governments and lobby together to ensure that the government enforces these human rights obligations that it has voluntarily undertaken.